When you wash your laundry, what really does the cleaning? The water or the soap? You might be surprised to learn that it's actually the water which cleans away all the stains, dirt, odours and bacteria. Pure water is pH neutral, neither acid nor alkali. That's a good thing because our bodies like it that way for drinking and bathing. But to turn water into a really powerful cleaning agent, you need to make it more alkali. This is why people have used soap or detergent for thousands of years. Soap technology has certainly improved since the days of boiling down fat from the family pig. But in the end, adding chemicals to the water to make it work is yesterday's technology just trying to smell good. BioWashBall is the 21st century answer to your laundry problem. It is clean, green and chemical free. The ceramic beads inside the ball work to alter the pH of your tap water to give it the cleaning power of the most effective washing detergent, without the use of any chemicals. This may seem miraculous, but the BioWashBall really does work. That's why BioWashBall is an award-winning environmental product and is even registered as a medical product in Switzerland. The patented technology inside the ball not only changes the water molecules so they can penetrate the fabric more effectively, the hypoallergenic BioWashBall also deodorizes, eliminates nasty bacteria, and because there isn't a chemical inside, it protects your clothes, your washing machine and the environment, making it perfect for septic tanks and grey water systems. Clothes come out lighter and brighter. Even more importantly, it protects you and the ones you love. For allergy sufferers, no chemicals means no more itchy rashes from the harsh cleansers in regular washing powder. The only residue from a BioWashBall is your smile and fresh clean laundry. The BioWashBall is really easy to use. BioWashBall works effectively in both front and top loaders. Load your machine as normal. Place the BioWashBall into the machine and select your normal wash cycle. It works best in cold water. The electricity savings are an added bonus. Your washing will come out clean, bright and smelling fresh, just as you would expect from a Swiss-designed product that has sold over 10 million units worldwide. Each BioWashBall lasts up to 3 years, so you can forget the hassle of buying detergent and enjoy the benefits of beautifully clean clothes and a beautifully clean world.